Today I have a breakfast dish for you, Tater Tot Casserole. And I have the burner set to medium. I have just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon and a half of olive oil in the pan. So I'm just gonna add this to it, along with my onions. This is a jalapeno, just one jalapeno, bell pepper. This is one medium green bell pepper and one red bell pepper. Black pepper, just a couple shakes of ground black pepper, a couple shakes of garlic powder, and just a little bit of salt. We don't want to go too heavy-handed on the salt. And after 10 minutes, might be a little bit longer, just depends on how much you have in your pan and how large your pan is. Your mixture should look like this, ready to go. We can just turn off the heat. I have a medium bowl here with 5 eggs, and I'm just gonna give these a good whisk. And then I have 1 cup of milk. You could also use half and half. And I have a 13x9 pan. And then I have my bag, frozen bag of tater tots. Let's just pour those all in there. I have 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. I'm gonna use about half of it. Just kind of put it on over this. And then I'll take my Monterey Jack cheese and do another bit of cheese here. Let's grab our sausage mixture here, and we will just put this on over this evenly. Now let's pour this egg mixture over the top. And you don't have to do as much cheese. You can do as little or much cheese as you want. All right, there we go. And now we'll just cover this with foil, and we will bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. And after 30 minutes, we'll take off the foil and we'll bake it for another 20 to 25 minutes. And when it comes out of the oven, it'll look something like this. And just let it sit and cool for about 10 minutes, and then we can cut it up. And look at that. Awesome. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. So good. Really, really good.